Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the chapter. And yesterday we have completed half of the chapter, the scene one of this chapter, and today we will continue. We'll take a recap first what we have seen yesterday, and then after we will continue scene two of this chapter. Okay. Welcome to the second part, second day of this chapter. Okay. Let's start. As we have seen yesterday that Bhaiya and Munna both were at the hostel room and they were discussing about their studying purposes matter. Okay, in which Bhaiya was quite interested towards their studies, but Munna was like he wanted only to play here and there instead of studying things. Okay, and he scolded him for the he had made a routine timetable for Munna so that he could concentrate towards his studies, but still he was like, Munna was like, he told that where is the time to play? In the time schedule, it was not mentioned. So please mention the time for playing, okay? Because he liked to play. He want to he liked to play like kabaddi, football, volleyball, etc. Okay, so these were the things we have seen yesterday in scene one. Today we will start scene two. Okay, the final exams are over and the results are out. Now, what happened? The final exam has completed and the results are out. We'll see what happened. Okay, Bhaiya, Arash, I have failed once again. Bhaiya, Alash, I have failed once again. Now, what happened to the result of Bhaiya? That he failed again. Instead, means after all the things, like he was quite concentrated toward his studies, he was giving his best in studies, everything. But still, what happened at the end of the exam? He got failed. Munna told, "Oh, Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us." Now what happened? Earlier it was 3 years difference between their classes. Now what happened? Bhaiya means Munna passed his exam and got promoted in another class, but Bhaiya was still in the same class because he got failed. And he told that now Bhaiya, there's only 2 years difference between our classes. Bhaiya said, "But my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I'm stupid and you are smart. Once in a while, in a gully danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that doesn't mean you have mastered the game." Yeah, well said. Means Bhaiya well said that being when you are when you played Ludo for the first time and you got one, it doesn't mean that you are the champion of that Ludo. Okay, it is not like that. It depends on the luck. It depends on the dice. When you are throwing, it will give you exact number or not. It's just about the thing of luck. So he told the same thing. He said a very good point that, okay, what do you think? You are smart enough and I am stupid. That he given a best example that being a make a score while playing guli danda, and it doesn't mean that we have mastered that game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. So he was sad. Bhaiya was sad after scoring. He got failed in exam. He was sad. He was disappointed, but still he was quite motivated. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. He told that when means getting pass in your classes, you just think that you are smart enough to study everything after playing so much, and after that also you are scoring good marks, you topped the exam. It doesn't mean that you mastered that. No, you still have to work. And you are given the example of geometry, that how we are writing, means instead of writing ABC we are writing ACB. The teacher will surely cut the mark because he wanted us to be the best, and he want to learn exact thing from the book, from the textbooks. Now Munna said, "Oh bhai sahab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the ninth class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class." Now he said, "Okay, oh bhai sahab, this is too much. This is quite scary, and please don't scare me. Okay, but I am not in ninth class, but where I am, I will complete my all works, all my homeworks, and I will make sure that I will not get punished by my teachers." Bhaiya said, "Just today, we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up." Bhaiya said a thing what happened in his class, that a teacher told him to write an essay over punctuality, and it was short, but you have to write it in 4 pages. Munna, thinking aloud, thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. Means now Munna told that thank God this is the school time, or else what will happen? Bhaiya would have scolded me. The scolding would have gone and go on. Now Bhaiya will go school, and we will also, and the things will stop here. So this is all about today. Okay, now you have to do that. Please summarize day by day so that it will be very easy for you to memorize everything. Again, I will tell you that please find the word meaning by yourself. Read the chapter, find the word meanings which are unknown to you. Okay, just find that, and it will be very helpful for you to improve your vocabulary. So please do that, and you can read the rest of the chapter also, so that it will be very easy for you to understand everything in a very better way. And we can also we will start this tomorrow. Scene 3, we will start this tomorrow. For today, all the best to all.